a new trading week here on Gbpusd. So we're going to do a weekly breakdown and see how we can take a good and profitable trade this week. So from last week, you guys, if you've been following us, you know that I've more or less been on the buy side on Gbpusd, following this weekly candle that traded above the high of the last bearish candle. Okay. Now, last week we closed quite bullish, and I hope most of you caught the position or from my videos that I put out. Hopefully, you got a trade from it. Okay, so now what we're going to do is for this new week, initially my low was right here, so it's going to be this new weekly low right there. That's the weekly low. If price trades below this region, we know that okay, we should not be looking to buy, but rather to be looking for positions to sell. Now, looking at on the daily time frame, you can see that area is more or less like a higher low area on the daily time frame. Switching here, we can see higher high, higher low. We've made a higher high. So from that area is where we would more or less have our Fibonacci. Boom. Okay. So I'm more or less still looking for price pushing to the upside, but right now the market just opened. It's a Monday morning, very early on Monday morning, like it's just 7 a.m. Okay, the market hasn't really found its feet yet. So the best thing to do is to be patient and to wait and see how the market trades. Okay. Now going down to the 4 hour time frame, we can see that we had a massive gap. We had a massive gap right here, and the market is looking like it's pushing to the downside. So basically, for me to take a position now, I want to see price trade above this region. Now I'm looking for two scenarios: price trade above this region, retest, and then continue to the upside, following the weekly momentum and the daily momentum for because the daily is obviously making higher highs and higher lows. Or we could see price come back down, okay, maybe into 135.65 like we did last week, or even lower into the weekly low, spike into 135, and then look to continue the upside. So that's basically two scenarios that I'm looking out for right now. Push deeper retrace, okay, look for a deeper retrace down, or a continuation break above and retest to the upside, because the resistance here is not just at any form of area. It's at 136,250, as you can see here, which is kind of a very crucial area for this pair. Okay, so the best thing to do now is to be patient and wait for one of these two scenarios to play out, and execute a position. Have a good trading week. Have a good trading day, guys. I'll catch up with you guys later.